What are you doing down there?
It's an Aussie armoured personnel carrier.
It's an MRV.
MRV.
I love these. This is the M1138.
It's got a little.
I know a lot about these.
Tank turret on it.
A little tank turret, because big ones tip it over.
Well, even this one tipped it over. So they couldn't have the turret facing sideways and firing.
Because it would knock it
It
over.
would go gadonk, and then everyone would have to run out and push it back over and then run off.
That's okay, they tried.
So the interesting thing about these is these were heavily used in the world, sort of the Vietnam War.
Vietnam.
So this is an American-designed vehicle. And at the time, the Australian Army could select from different vehicles from around the world.
Yep.
And they tried British one and the American one. They settled with the American one. But they found that they wanted extra firepower.
Extra, and they put too much on it that tips over.
So, yeah, well, somehow they found these turrets and they converted them to fit on, to get a bit more firepower as they're going through the jungle. But that's not the only one.
What do you mean?
So the Aussies modified this one as well.
The APC.
So only the Australian Army had these two versions of the vehicle.
Our team driver, Scotty Rollins, is probably still modifying these.
Probably. So they're still using this until recently.
Yeah.
They actually stretched them
Stretch.
and put a different turret on it.
Really?
So this one here, they wanted more firepower, so they put on the Cadillac Gauge turret that was on the armoured cars, a patrol car of the Americans. Yeah. And what that gave them was, originally it would just have a 50 caliber machine gun on it, but the commander had to be like outside to fire it. So it was fully open to enemy fire. And to get some protection, they had the little turret. And so he had a 50 cal and also a 30 cal. So a bit of more protection and firepower there.
Well, that's what you need.
More
protection, more firepower.
That's right. And these are by AFV Club, and these are 35 scale. I'm actually started building one of these, and I haven't finished it yet.
Really?
Yeah.
Why does that not surprise me?
Nothing should surprise you. Nothing should surprise you. There
Talking about military, what have you got there?
This is brand spanking new.
Oh.
This is a TAMIYA kit, 35 scale figure set.
Yes.
And I think I've mentioned it before, that TAMIYA are redoing all their really early 1970s, 1980s tooled figure sets, and they're making modern versions of it.
Yep.
So this is a modern version of their German machine gun set. But they've been using 3D scanning technology, so it looks more natural. And they've changed the poses a little bit, and actually the detail is much sharper. So these have just come in, haven't they?
Yes.
Only just arrived. And this is probably the fourth or the fifth set of them retooling all their new stuff.
Really?
So they've done motorbikes, they've done German attack or assault troops. So very nice.
I like it.
Very nice. You like it?
Very good.
I like it too.
Very, very good.
There we go.